What is going on, Money Squad? We are back up in here on a Thursday. In my efforts to keep it 5 minutes or less, we're gonna talk real quick and get right into this review. Like, if you're new to the channel, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe. We're on our way to 10K. We're gonna do a real big giveaway at 10K, but along the way, we're gonna do one at 7,500. Also, if you haven't subscribed to Who Has the Heat, we're gonna be back up at it with a loaded, and I mean a loaded, battles on deck. Also, go check out the home team, 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, and PMKICKZ. Now, all of that fluff out of the way, and I got all of my promos out of the way. Now, like I said, in an effort to show y'all different shoes and different things, I'm gonna keep my promise, because Emoneyshoes don't like to be a liar. So this is a stealing deal. This won't be a cup of tea for everybody, stuff like that. These shoes, I think they was $85. They on sale at Foot Locker. I think they was $59 and I got them for $50 because I used my coupon. You got to use those coupons, people. Use your coupon, save them, flex, and all that good stuff. And one last thing, if I don't get to make a video before Saturday, good luck on them UNC ones, because it's going to be crazy out there. So now, as you can see, Converse box. Turn this around. Right there, I went all the way up a full size because these joints run narrow. Converse size 11 men's, 12 and a half women. You already know you got to go up a size and a half. You know, like I said, $85. Converse Pro leather, official colorway, black leather, gold, white. You open up the box like so. You got your snapper ramp, you got your paper raper, and this is part of the Raygun set. I don't know if most of you knew that the Converse, because I didn't know. Actually, Converse has a whole bunch of Rayguns. Like, you got this color, you got the white, and I think I seen another along with. You got the Air Raids, and you have the Blazers, like I showed you guys. You also have the Kyries. So you got a good amount of ray guns, and this is different. This is unique because you can see this leather is very, very good on these joints right here. Of course, it's a lifestyle shoe. I wouldn't advise going balling out in these shoes. You guys didn't know Converse was the first American shoe most people were used to wear, especially the cloth Converse, right? If you didn't know about the Raygun, Roswell Rayguns was a basketball team. You got a lot of different Raygun shoes out there. I got something I actually even I haven't done a video about it, but I keep that to myself. It's interesting information, but totally useless. This is all about the Converse at the moment. So it might be some of your cup of tea, it may not be, but like I said, if your foot is narrow, you'll be fine. If you got a little wideness to your foot, you may have to try these on and go a half size or a whole size up, just depending on your comfort level. So we go underneath of this shoe. It's white, sail white. Some people this might fly with, some people may not, because most people prefer either a translucent bottom or a black bottom, but most probably preferably for most people a black bottom. But depending on the price, you may do something a little bit different. So you can see on the toe box, not too bad. You see it's pretty soft. You got your black laces, you got your leather Converse All-Star tongue coming around on the side. You got your gold, or kind of like your maize yellow, with your pro leather etched in, your Roswell Raygun basketball, and this is the part I like, Roswell Rayguns on the back of the shoe. The stitching is on point. In the median side, in there you have the black star. You see, you got the outside, you have the yellow star, right? So you got outsole, midsole, and coming in, you have the insole. Insole on there, you got Rayguns on the inside. Rayguns on the inside of this one. Then you have your QR code and all of that good stuff. So nothing to the shoe, pretty much a black and yellow shoe with a little bit couple hits of Rayguns here and there. Now on the Little Lit meter, I get about a 4.5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. Price is good. Something different. A little bit of something for everybody, because everybody is not a Jordan head. So let me know what you think in the comment suggestion below. Hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, tell a family member, a friend of a friend, and I always answer all of my questions, no matter if it takes me a day, 24 hours, or a week, or a year. I will get back to you. That I can promise you. A lot of people have a lot of questions, so I try to answer them accordingly. So thanks for all the love and support. Have a great be safe, and I can just say have a great Friday, but it ain't Friday yet. So have a rest of your Thursday. Good luck on those UNC ones. Much love, peace, and hair grease. Eat money shoes. I'm out. Deuces.